So here is a client's wig. It's a blonde wig, really nice wig, but the lace is bolden. You can see like a couple of bold spots around. It's really like thinning out at the edges inside as well. So I'm going to fill up all the bald spots and make the hair look a little bit fuller than it is right now. It can be very time consuming. I exercise patience. Look for the holes that are empty and fill them up. And I'll only advise you to do it if it's a high quality real human hair. If it's not, you can just buy another wig from Amazon. It is not that complicated. You just have to be patient. If you know Game of Thrones, you know House of the Dragon. My brother, Clinton Liberty, is Adam Hall. And you can see the art that goes into making their wigs. I did not make the wigs. Rosalia and her team made those wigs. Much respect to them. Yo, Rosuki.